Okay, continuing in Chapter 4, we're going to make the single link. Again, create a new part, confirm that our properties are ANSI and our units are inches and set to 3 decimal places. Hit OK. Once again, sketching on the front plane. And we're going to get our slotted option here, but in this case we're going to add dimensions. Starting in at our origin. So it puts the dimensions for us, and we can come in here and edit those dimensions. .25 and 1. I'm going to exit our sketch and go to Extruded Boss. Once again, we're going to select the mid-plane option, extrude in both directions with depth of 0.75. Create another sketch using this plane, and we're going to begin with some circles. In this case, here we go. Add an equal relation. And a dimension, dimension of 1.02. So notice that we've drawn these circles and they're just a little bit larger than the arcs of this slot. So we're going to cut away that material, make sure we remove additional material. Okay, on to page 416. We're going to exit out of this sketch and go to our, again, we're going to select the sketch to tell it what feature we want to cut, and we're cutting to a depth of 0.235. Take advantage of our mirror command. Our feature is already selected here. Now we got to tell it what plane we're going to mirror about, and we're going to select the front plane again. Hit OK. Going to add a few more holes, so we're going to select the sketch tool again. Select this plane. Come on in with our circle command. I'm going to hover over again here just to activate that center point so I make sure I'm drawing my circle in the right location. Close out of that, hold down my control, select the other circle and add an equal gesture for my dimensions, and we're going to put in a dimension of 0.325. Exit out of our sketch, and once again select our extruded cut, and we have our additional holes. Oops, I did not select through all. So we can go back and edit that feature, and we're going to go all the way through. Looks better. On to page 418, we're going to add some fillets. select the fillet command, and select a value of 0.1, which is our default. Alright, we need to select 8 edges. See if we can get this correct. So, four, and I'll flip it over. Okay, confirm my settings. That looks good. And now we had to add some more fillets of a smaller radius. So we're going to select fillet again, change our value to 0.032, and believe we're going to select all of these faces. Nope, I didn't want to do that. I'm going to right click and clear that selection. Come back in here. Let's try that again. I want to select this edge. Here we go. This edge. I can select this face now, and this face, and let's make sure that looks like our part. Okay, no fillets on the inside, all the outside. Believe we have that correct. When we check these with our mass properties, this is one of the places you can get into trouble. If you have not created the fillets the same size, or you've added fillets in areas that the author did not intend to have the fillets. I think we're good. Once again, I'm going to set my material to carbon steel and file, save as. Oops. Chap4 and single link.